wolves, I bet I lead the pack. Yeah, I'm grinding right now, cannot hold me back. Every time I get mad, I rage, I go outside to swing my bat. Every time I get mad, I rage, I go outside, I pop out the cut like a bat, Put that boy in the mat,
Yeah, my niggas got watch like Beatrice and them. Cuban links, diamond 10 links, all of my twins. We done take it whole gang, never call you again. Pour the lean up on stage, they start clapping their hand.
The fuck? He's gonna drink it? What?
Lil' Brody trimmed out, caught a hat with no mask. I done bought that whole store, used to shop through the glass. 5 bands on my ass, I want chrome on the pan. Quarter meal.
You can't take black niggas nowhere.
Never, bro.
Nope. Beef can be that serious by the day, they having front smoke. The bullshit niggas dropping, I can't believe you had that in your notes. Feeling school, we only had 3 jewels, turn the plug up. I was trying to serve anybody that trying to drug bust. 30 on my hip, and keep on wrinkling my shirt up. Hope you know the place, but that rice right there ain't worth much.
Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jeddy Don, and I'm back with another video, man. You know what I'm saying? Right now, we currently posted at the G station. So, you know what that means. If we finna get gas, nigga, we on your ass.
Okay.
What
do you mean by that?
No, I'm just bullshitting. We finna head to a function, though. Not gonna lie, we like 30 minutes away. I'm gonna hop out and let y'all know what the lineup looking like right now. Lineup right now, you know what I'm saying? We go Twin, Charger, Twin, Charlie, you feel me? We finna head to this car meet. Give y'all some pulls, POV, yada yada, whatever. Give y'all some B-roll, all of that, man. We're gonna let y'all know what it's looking like right now, though. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna step out. Damn, I dropped my phone. I gotta stop doing that, twin. Gotta stop doing that. Look at that. Hey, bro. Only real on some real nigga shit, man. If you a real nigga on some real street shit, y'all gotta stop putting y'all phone in y'all lap, cause I got that problem too. I know everybody like to have their phone in their lap, control the music and shit like that, but you gotta stop doing that too, man. That shit gonna fuck your phone up. Not gonna lie.
He ain't lying.
That boy gotta watch though. Not gonna lie. Nigga gotta watch. I gotta watch not too long ago. You know what I'm saying? We go Charger. Y'all see the V right there? That bitch looking clean. We go Charlie. We outside though. We're definitely outside tonight, man. Y'all stay tuned for the video. I'm gonna catch y'all whenever we get to the spot, no cap.
2,000 years later.
Traffic with it right now. Yeah, we currently finna hop on the E-way though right now. We got like a little 20-minute drive. I just figured I'd pick the camera up and vlog for y'all tonight, man. Just bring y'all with me. be cruising together and shit, them niggas be trim. Trim as fuck. That niggas wildin'. Y'all hear that though? The intake? The intake be making some noise, I swear it do. I swear the intake be making some noise. We almost there though, man. I'll pick the camera up when we make it to the destination, bro. If you made it this far, make sure you drop a like, comment, subscribe. And if you do, make sure you drop a like, comment, subscribe. No cap. Stay tuned. When I pull out stand, give me got your friend wanna fuck me. Get the hood, I'ma leave the bit running. It's deep as hell. Not gonna lie, it's hella motherfuckers out. Hella motherfuckers out. This shit packed, nigga. This the deepest I ever seen this hole. I'm not gonna lie. Deepest I ever seen this hole. I don't know that nigga in the scat right here, but he pulled up with us. Little visual, what's going on? That ain't done. Where the fuck Vincent going, twin? This nigga is puzzled. Like, it's so deep, niggas don't even know where to park. Hey, they over here in the cut. This shit too fucking deep. Do I got enough range? Fuck! That's that stupid shit. That's why we call them the boat, cause that bit turning range is some shit by everything. But we gonna post up right here, fuck it. Cause it's too fucking deep here. Everybody ain't even mama outside tonight, boy. I ain't been out in a little minute though, you feel me? It's been a little minute since I popped out, so you know what I'm saying? I ain't really seen what it be looking like out here for real. Niggas in the damn rape van. What did he say?
Got him. We fucking got him.
Nigga about hit his ass. Tweaking. Matt Black too.
That's that nigga, that's Brandon.
On 4Gs though? On 4Gs is some crazy work. That bitch hard as hell.
I ain't gonna lie, we waiting on him to get out.
Both of them got the demon lights on. We got a scatty right here. That bit tough. Another scat. Another scat. Facts though. That bit clean. That's the swole too loud actually. That's swole shit. Durango. That look like striker shit. I know it ain't striker though. We got that down 300 over there. Got a second gen right here. We ain't been outside in a minute though. We finna see some new whips out here. We got another scat over there. We got down 300s over here. See the 300s back to back. What's good, Cheeto? What's up with it, man? Straight. Chillin'.
Man, listen.
Hey, hold on. Hey, what the fuck they put on your whip? What the hell they put on your whip, my G? What the fuck? Why, buddy, scat? Oh, no, that's a kitty. Not gonna lie, that's a kitty. We got some shit right here lined up. We got a stinger right there. We got a Benz. That Benz clean as fuck. Not gonna lie. We got a fucking BRZ. Nigga pulled out the vet. That Wakanda mobile.
Me and gang walk in, same change, death row. Let all the real niggas home, kill these niggas who tellin' them.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
I done killed the game so bad, couldn't even bring my cell phone. Bitch, I'm gonna be dead and gone. For the day I'm dead broke. 100 bands is all blue. Call that shit that dead low. Rilo just walked in shit like 10 diamond tennis row. My wrist just like orange green, shit look like a cantaloupe.
Sharper than a needle kid. This outfit came from Antidote. The month that I was.
I'll bring out. Niggas say you gonna bring out the track. I'll bring out the track because we go to Mexico. I'll bring out the Demon Swap vet.
Hey, so look, man, we out here outside, but I'd rather be inside.
These niggas already on some BS.
Can't never have no fun out here, bro. Niggas always trying to shut shit down.
By the day, they having friendly smoke. The bullshit niggas driving. I can't believe you had that in your notes. Feeling school, we only had 3 jewels. Turn the plug up.
Y'all hear that?
Damn.
That ZL1 sounds crazy.
I'm finna put the chop out of yo on my thing.
A few moments later.
That's Kobe. My boy outside with it.
Hey, floor up. Nigga, I'm finna turn this bitch around and floor, nigga. Floor up. Get out the road. Nigga, the road need to get out for me, nigga. Nah, this is the worst. This shit like a GTA lobby, boy.
Oh God, boy.
Let's start up.
Okay.
Now, can we get a ride?
Can we get a ride? Can we get a ride? Yo.
Damn, you These some stingy ass niggas.
He ain't lying.
392. Let me see some. No tires. Oh shit.
Yeah, that was V. Damn, AMG. Damn.
Yeah, we got the. Let me know when I can go. All right, hey, let me go. Go ahead.
Wait, hold on.
All right, go. Wait, nigga, look at this side. All right, go. Hey, tell them niggas slow right here.
These niggas right here.
You may be regular, Dan.
Police always messing with me and my friends when we go out. Can't never have no fun.
They don't even look in uniform. Them look like these niggas on dick. Oh, they better race.
Nigga 4?
A few moments later.
Speed racing, he not hard, he fake it, yeah. Be patient, stay down till you make it, yeah.
Y'all, we finna dip. Channel, make sure you drop a like, comment, subscribe on the video. We're just gonna end it off here, man. Like, comment, subscribe on the video. It's your boy Jada Don, and I'm out.
Okay, bye.